Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Comfort and top-notch sound without the need for a boom are two of the key ingredients in the recipe for the impressive Voyager Surround 80 UC from HP Poly. The headset is also equipped with adaptive ANC, and you can get up to 21 hours of talk time on a charge. Senior Director of Hybrid Work Solutions, Jennifer Adams, says the touch controls are intuitive.
It's a very sleek design, as you can see, and it has, kind of touch controls so that it actually is able to adjust your volume, call control, so answer and end your calls, as well as easily mute.
Great for PCs and mobile devices, too. The list price is about $450. Find more at poly.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.